Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 clock and date missing on taskbar. So how to fix this problem? So it's very easy to fix this problem. So firstly you need to search settings and open it, and the second way to open settings, click on this volume button, the sound icon, click on it, and here you see this settings, click on it. Now need to in this list you need to click on time and language. Now click on date and time. Now here scroll down and you see this option additional clocks, click on it. Now this type of screen will be open. You need to check this show this clock. So check this box and select time zone and select your time zone and click on apply and OK. That's it. Now close it. So very easy and quick way you can easily fix Windows 11 clock and date missing on taskbar. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.